students. Sequence and series. Arithmetic progression, AP. T1, T2, T3 are in AP. What is the condition? T2 minus T1 equal to T3 minus T2. If three terms are in AP, three terms are in AP, they are in the form of A minus D, A plus D. Okay. What is the nth term? Tn, nth term of AP, A plus n minus 1 into D. What is meant by D? T2 minus T1. What is meant by A? First term, T1. Now, sum of n terms, Sn is equal to, we have two formulas. N by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Another formula, N by 2 into A plus Tn. Tn is nothing but general term. We can call it as Tn is nothing but general term or nth term. General term, nth term or anything. Okay. Nth term. Most of the questions, whatever they can give AP and AP, only they will ask the questions from these concepts only. From AP, they will ask hardly one question compulsory, very rare two questions from AP, arithmetic progression, that means sequence series. Sometimes they can give one AP question, one GP question. But this chapter, we are using in other different chapters. That's why AP and GP are important. Okay. Copy this. Understood? Everyone following what I'm explaining? Do it. Copy everyone. Yeah, if forgot, I will do it. Differential equation chapter is there. No, it's complete. I think Prakash has explained. No, my suggestion to write only. If you take screenshot also good, but writing means you can understand the things. No, that's why. While explaining problem, it is good. Everyone is writing, simply you are taking screenshot and leaving. Don't do the type of things. Take screenshot, no problem, but you write. GP, geometry progression. Completed, huh? Still writing, huh? Completed, huh? Okay, finish it, finish it. Say, now GP, geometry progression. If three terms are in GP, geometry progression, suppose T1 and T2 or T3 are in GP, what is the condition means? T2 by T1 is equal to T3 by T2. Understand what I'm explaining? T2 by T1 is equal to T3 by T2. Three terms are in GP. What is the condition means? They are in the term A by R, A, AR. Those three are in the form of like this. Yes. A, AR, AR square, AR cube. These are all in GP. What is Tn? Tn means nth term. A into R power n minus 1. A means first term. R formula T2 by T1 ratio. Next, Sn, we have two formulas. A into R power n minus 1 by R minus 1, where R is greater than 1. One more formula, Sn is equal to A into 1 minus R power n by 1 minus R, where R is less than 1. And we have one more formula, S infinity, A by 1 minus R. This formula we will use even in differentiation chapter also, S infinity formula. Understand? A means first term, R means T2 by T1. Understand? Copy this. Complete. Shall we start problems? First question it was missing. From second one we'll do no problem. Okay. The third term of GP is 4. The product of its first five terms is how much? Sir, it's not visible, sir. I can zoom it, zoom. Dear students, the third term of GP is given for the product of its first five terms. Third term of GP, A, AR, AR square, AR cube, AR power 4. These are the first five terms. Third term is given. Third term is how much? AR square is given as 4. They are asking the product of first five terms. Product you multiply. A into AR into AR square into AR cube into AR power 4. In exam I cannot multiply like this. Here only I can see A power 5 into R power 10. Can I write AR square whole power 5? 4 power 5. Which option? C. Understand what I am speaking with you? How easy shortcut way I explain? So the first five terms of GP I consider A, AR, AR square, AR cube, AR power 4. Third term they given. Third term is this one. How much? 4. They are asking the product of first five terms. I multiply. What I got? A power 5, R power 10. I wrote as AR square whole power 5. AR square means 4. 4 power 5. Understand? Any doubt, anyone? No, they won't ask. Don't worry. Material we will send today, Amma. Don't worry. You should please send the material to the group. I can forward to girls group also. I was little busy. I was taken up before one more class. That's why. Thank you, sir. Complete everyone. Can I move to the next second question? Next question. Nine times the ninth term of AP is equal to 13 times the 13th term. 9 times of T9 is equal to 13 times of T13. Then find T22, 22nd term. Okay. 9 times of ninth term. Ninth term formula A plus 8D. Shortcut. T13 means A plus 13D. 12D. Multiply. 9A plus 72D. 13A plus 13 12s are 156D. Subtract 13A minus 9A. 4A plus 156 minus 72. Faster. 84D. Take 4 common. A plus 21D is equal to 0. A plus 21D is 0. A plus 21D is nothing but what? T22 is 0. Sir, how you wrote A plus 8D, sir? Common sense. Tn formula A plus n minus 1 into D, I said now. What is T9? A plus 9 minus 1 into D. That means A plus 8D only, no? 2 years over, no, sir, we studied. That's why we forgot. Similarly, T13 means A plus 13 minus 1. 12D. T22, A plus 22 minus 1. 21D. Understand? Complete. Can I move to the next one? Yes. Please respond back to my question. You can go and come back again, Chandu, because of internet problem, your internet problem. Question number 4. X, 2y, 3z are in AP, where the distinct numbers x, y, z are in GP, then the common ratio of GP. Okay. X, 2y, 3z are in AP. X, y, z are in GP. Common ratio. Common ratio means R. R is equal to y by x, no? Or z by y. Anything you can find. Okay. It is in AP means what is the condition? 2y minus x is equal to 3z minus 2y. Correct now? Interchange. We want y by x value or z by y value. Okay. This is 2y. Don't confuse. Okay. 4y minus 2y minus x is equal to 3z. Four y is equal to 3z plus x. Y is equal to 3z plus x by 4. GP means what is the condition? Y by x is equal to z by y now. Y square equal to xz. In place of a substitute 3z plus x by 4 whole square is equal to xz. We want answer in terms of yx or zy, no? So in a shortcut, you can consider like this. X is equal to 4y minus 3z. Here in place of x substitute value, okay. Y is equal to 4y minus 3z into z. Y is equal to 4yz minus 3z square. Transfer left hand side, 3z square minus 4yz minus y equal to 0. If you multiply, what you need to get? Quadratic equation can you solve? 3z square minus y square is there, huh? Yes, y square. Y square only it should be. Minus 3yz minus yz minus y square equal to 0. Take 3z common. Z minus 3. Minus y common. Z minus 1. Z minus 1. 3z minus y equal to 0. 3z is y. We want y by z, no? Z by y. Z by y is equal to 1 by 3. Which option? Second option. Correct answer. Plus y square only. Okay. Minus to minus plus. We want z by y. What is y z by y? Z by y is nothing but r, no? Z by y is nothing but r. That's why. That's it. Do it fast. Just to quadratic equation is solved. That's it. Complete a day, students. Can I move to the next one? Still writing, right. Okay. Once any doubt? Tell me, Monisha.
Sir, there is y no, sir. 3z square minus 3yz.
3z square minus 3yz. Okay.
So in taking, when we take common, z minus y should become no, sir.
Z minus 1, no. Z common. 3yz.
You're taking only 3z is common, sir.
Z minus y. Both sides z minus y. But we are not considering, we are considering this one, no? That's why I ignored that. Whatever value is.
Okay, sir.
Just quadratic equation is solved. Quadratic equation, not to understand quadratic equation. Minus 4yz, I wrote minus 3yz minus yz. That's it. This minus 4yz I wrote as minus 3yz minus yz. Understand? 3z common z minus y. Minus y common z minus y. Can I move to the next question, my dear students? Sudhindra, understood? Pratiksha, why can't you take online test, Pratiksha? What is the given question if an AP, Sn is Qn square, Sm is Qm square? SQ we want. Sn formula n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to Qn square. N cancel. From this 2a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 2Qn. Similarly, Sm means m by 2 into 2a plus m minus 1 into d is equal to Qm square. Cancel, cross multiply. 2a plus m minus 1 into d is equal to 2Qm. Both you can subtract. If you subtract both, the 2a cancel out. D take common, n minus 1 minus m plus 1 is equal to dq common n minus m. 1 common, d is d into n minus m is equal to 2q into n minus m. Both cancel, d is 2q. D value banta. Iga a value back. You want a value. Any one condition you can consider. 2a plus e condition consider. N minus 1 into d is equal to 2qn. In place of d substitute 2a plus 2qn minus 2q is equal to 2qn. This one cancel. 2a is equal to 2q. A is equal to q. A value bantu, d value bantu. What we need to find? SQ. What is SQ formula? Q by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Q by 2 into 2q plus, not n minus, q minus 1 into d. Q minus 1 into 2q. Q by 2 into 2q plus 2q square minus 2q. 2q cancel. 2 cancel. Q into q, how much? Q cube. Answer is yeah. Q cube is the answer. Which option? Where is it? Third option. C option, correct now? What I did there? Not nonsense. Very simple. Sn formula I wrote. Sn formula I wrote. Sn formula, n by 2 into a plus m minus d. Sm is m by 2 into 2a plus m minus into d. Both the equations I subtracted. I got d value. The d value I substituted in one equation. I got a value. After getting a and d, sq, q by 2 into 2a plus q minus 1 into d. When I started this lesson, I very clearly said that they cannot go anywhere. Only these formulas. Which formula? Sum of n terms Sn formula, nth term formula, R formula, D formula. Only within this limit only they will explain. They will ask the questions. Okay. But while looking at Sn, Qn, Sm, Qm square, what is this Mn? People will ignore this type of questions. Very, very important. Take it very seriously. Okay. Complete. Can I move to the next question, everyone? SQ. Q by 2 into a, q minus 1 into d. In place of a, q. In place of d, 2q. Multiply. Understand? Next question. Let Sn denote the sum of first n terms of AP. S2n equal to 3Sn. Then S3n is 10. Why to subtract means we want A value, D value, no, that's why we subtracted. Okay, Pratiksha. Sixth question. Sn denotes sum of first n terms. S2n is equal to 3Sn, then S3n is to Sn is what? S2n is equal to 3Sn. They are asking S3n is to Sn. Okay. S2n formula 2n by 2 into 2a plus 2n minus 1 into d is equal to 3 into n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. 2 cancel, n cancel, 2 multiply inside 4a plus 4n minus 4 into d is equal to 6a plus 3n minus 3 into d. Okay. Sorry. What they're asking, S3n is equal to Sn. That means ratio. S3n means 3n by 2 into 2a plus 3n minus 1 into d. Sn means n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Shreya, what is your doubt?
Sir, in third step, sir. 4n minus 2, sir.
No, 4n minus 2. Okay, done. Thank you. Now, nn cancel. 2 cancel. 3 2s are 6a plus 3 3s are 9n minus 3 into d. 2a plus n minus 1 into d. We need to multiply. Ratio, correct? Ratio only I am doing. We need to divide this. We cannot cancel. Ratio they ask for now, we cannot cancel. We can cancel, nothing will happen. Even ratio asked also you can cancel because nn get cancelled now. Okay, don't worry. You see, I will explain one more step here. There we can substitute that. Interchange. 2a is equal to 2a means 6a minus 4a transfer. 4nd minus 2d minus 3nd minus of minus plus 3d. nd plus d. Take d common n plus 1. 2a is equal to d into n plus 1. This one you cannot transfer to right hand side. But in place of 2a, you need to substitute the value. In place of 2a, then what is 6a? 3d into n plus 1. I am substituting now. Careful. In place of 6a, 3d into n plus 1 plus 9nd minus 3d is equal to, in place of 2a, 3 into n plus 1 plus nd minus d. One more step where I can write, I can change the color, then you can understand. After this, multiply, what you will get? 3dn plus 3d 9nd minus 3d is equal to, multiply, dn plus d plus nd minus d. dn cancel, dd cancel, 3d cancel, 12 and d equal to 0. 12 by 1 answer is there. What is the answer is there? dn plus dn, where it is? dn plus dn, no? Correct. Not minus, we cannot cancel. Only dd get cancelled. dn plus d plus dn minus d. dd cancel. So, final answer it should be numerator, that means 12nd by denominator 2nd. nd cancel, 6:1. Answer is there. 6:1 means 6 only, no? Correct answer. When we are doing problem, generally main answer correct but it will take some time, no other option. Okay. So sir, so ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೆ. I will say to you, S2n is equal to 3Sn ಮಾಡಿದೆ. From that I find out 2a value. S3n is divided by Sn, I find out. In the 2a value I can substitute it. Then I multiplied, cancel. That's it. So finally what I am saying to me is I find out 2a value and I substitute it. That's it. I find out 2a value and I substitute it. If we have big board, then it will understand well. By equating S2n is equal to 3Sn, I find out value of a. I substitute that value of 2a in the S3n is to Sn. Then I got the value ratio. Okay. Let's try now. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರ್ತಾವಮ್ಮ, ನಿಧಾನವಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿ, ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. The minimum value of 4 power x plus 4 power 1 minus x, where x belongs to R. Minimum value they are asking. Minimum. Simple logic. Still you are writing. Then you can say no, not complete. So right. The minimum value of 4x plus 4 power 1 minus x. Okay, go to answer option and you can find the answer. First option 2, second option 4, third option 1, fourth option 0. Way to waste of time. First, if you substitute to 4 square 16 plus 4 power minus 1, 1 by 4, 65 by 4. It is nothing but 16.25. Next, second option 4, if you substitute 4 power 4 plus 1 by 4 cube, you will get more. I think approximately is 4 power 4, how much? It's 256 plus something value. 4 power 0 plus 4 power 1 minus 0, 1. 1 plus 4, 5. Next, if you substitute 0, 4 power 0 plus 4 power 1, 5. This is 1 now. If you substitute 1, 4 power 1 plus 4 power 0. 5 only you got. Both you are getting 4. 4 power 0, 1. My voice is not audible. Maybe your internet problem. They are asking maximum or minimum. The minimum value of 4 power x plus 4 power minus where x belongs to R is. Both 1 and 0 possible. This question we can do in like differentiation. Application of the minimum value, you know. No, it is sequence series, but we can do in sequence series also. If you do differentiation, how to do? You can add 4 power x plus 4 by 4 power x. That 4 power x is some a plus 4 by a. Do differentiate a power x to a power x log a. Like that also you can do, but same answer will get. Maybe my point of view, they need to ask maximum value, not minimum. Answer is 4. If you substitute 4 only, you are getting maximum. No, this is not minimum, this is maximum. Minimum means you are getting both 5 and 5 equal. It's not possible. Maximum only correct. 256. Change it. The maximum value, not minimum value. No, not infinity, mister. They are asking x belongs to us. Oh, minimum value of that expression they are asking, not x value. The minimum value of x actually. They need to write the given the question, the maximum value of x. X value they are asking. What is the x value? It is maximum.